Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you top 5 best alternatives of Photoshop. All of these are going to be free. Also I have made sure to add web-based editors for those who are tight with storage. I will also be adding timestamps and links of all the editors in the description, so make sure you check them out. All of these editors will be available in Windows and Mac. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. First on our list will be Photor. Photor is a web-based free editor. It also has a premium version that unlocks more features. Photor is loaded with powerful, easy-to-use editing tools to help you make all your photos look amazing. This is an easy-to-learn and use editor. You can start by adjusting brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness, then fine-tune and adjusting the curves. After which you can crop or resize. Then you can add effects and filters according to your interests. Photor also offers a variety of stickers and fonts which can be used to make your photo more attractive. Photor is available on all devices from phones to computers. I would recommend Photor to those who want to do casual editing or make social media posts. Next in our list is Pixlr. Pixlr is an online photo editor that lets you edit photos and create great designs right in your browser for free. The editor has AI-powered tools for quick yet professional edits. The editor opens almost any image format such as PSD, PXD, JPEG, PNG, WebP, SVG, and more. There are 2 versions of this editor. Pixlr E is an easy-to-learn and work software, whereas Pixlr X is more used to do advanced editing. Pixlr also has a premium plan that unlocks some more features. Pixlr also has an AI-powered tool to remove backgrounds. You can start by choosing a blank canvas or a professionally made template. You can add overlays, border, shape, stickers. Pixlr also offers you with stock images, filters, effects. You can also resize and crop too. The editor also offers you a bunch of fonts. One thing that actually impressed me was that you can add your own fonts from your computer. Overall it has a nice interface and would be recommended for making social media posts. Next on our list is Krita. Krita is a free and open-source cross-platform application that offers an end-to-end solution for creating digital art files from scratch. Krita is optimized for frequent, prolonged and focused use. Explicitly supported fields of painting are illustrations, concept art, matte painting, textures, comics, and animations. Developed together with users, Krita is an application that supports their actual needs and workflow. Krita supports open standards and interoperates with other applications. It runs on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and Chrome OS. An intuitive user interface that stays out of your way. The dockers and panels can be moved and customized for your specific workflow. Once you have your setup, you can save it as your own workspace. You can also create your own shortcuts for commonly used tools. It has over 100 professionally made brushes that come preloaded. These brushes give a good range of effects. It also has brush stabilizers, vector and text, brush engines, wraparound mode, resource manager. I would recommend this to digital artists and animators. Next on our list is Gimp. Gimp is a cross-platform image editor available for GNU/Linux, OS X, Windows, and more operating systems. It is free software. You can change its source code and distribute your changes. Whether you are a graphic designer, photographer, illustrator, or scientist, Gimp provides you with sophisticated tools to get your job done. You can further enhance your productivity with Gimp thanks to many customization options and third-party plugins. I would recommend Gimp to creators who want to make thumbnails. Last on our list is Canva. Canva is a graphic design platform used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. The app includes templates for users to use. The platform is free to use and offers paid subscriptions like Canva Pro and Canva for Enterprise for additional functionality. It is a drag-and-drop graphic designing tool. It can be used to make logos, banners, posters, book covers, magazines, etc. Canva's main aim is to make complicated designing simple. Canva can make your brand professional in design ways. That is all for the top 5 photo editors 2021. If you found this video helpful, a sub to the channel and a like to this video would be great. Comment down below your favorite editor. Thank you for watching, it's your boy Trench here, see you in the next one, till then, bye.